Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a Bazium website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Bazium editor. In the Bazium editor, click on Add Block button, wherever you wish your widget will show. Then, in the left menu, select Miscellaneous and select the HTML block. Click on the new HTML block you've added to your page. Now, in the HTML code window, simply paste the code you've copied before and click Save. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.